Hey guys!
What's up? It is 2 o'clock
on June 13th and we are just about to go on a walking trail. There are a lot in Germany and it's so pretty and it's such a nice day, so we decided to go on. Excuse me.
Mercedes truck.
So we decided to go on a walk. We've got a dad right there.
Just gonna walk through the country. That reminds me of a story you once told.
No, but yeah, so we will just vlog a little bit on the walk, but of course you're gonna enjoy the nature. Okay, so we will see you guys
Later.
Yeah.
Let's rest up here in the shade.
But next to the cows.
Right here.
Guys, meet. There's a bee near you.
Alright, let's go.
That was a bee. But that's Betsy and Nancy. They're our new friends. Bye Betsy, bye Nancy. See you guys later. Enjoy your book club. Okay, bye. Bye. Now they're gossiping. Look at him.
I hope I can find a studio.
Caveman.
Beautiful.
Wait. What's up?
Hey guys, so we didn't just get done with the walk. Our walk was about like an hour 15 minutes, around there. It was so beautiful, as you guys saw from the clips before. And we got home, just chilled for a little bit, just rested a little bit. And now we're gonna go out and eat, and then we've gotta go to the
Obi-Wan Kenobi? Obi-Wan Kenobi store?
It's basically like the Home Depot of Germany. So we gotta go there.
Because my dad's got, our dad's gotta get a tool. Actually,
Because-
Devin, he is my dad. I have something to tell you.
Anyway,
So we're gonna go to the Obi-Wan Kenobi so he can get a tool.
yeah, but we're gonna go eat first. So we will see you guys there.
Bye.